I am here at the Las Vegas premiere of Vince Van Patten's movie, 7 Days to Vegas. We got the cast and other poker celebrities in attendance, so let's go talk to them.
Vince likes to call it a cross between The Sting and The Hangover. If it's anywhere near either one of those, he's got a big hit on his hand because it's a fun movie. It's characters that Vince says were in the games over the years. And so I expect a really fun movie that you're going to be able to laugh at.
It's like The Hangover meets The Sting. And I think all gamblers will appreciate it. It's for the gamblers out there like myself, the degenerates that just love the action, the spice of life. Try to rent you to buy it. 7 Days to Vegas.
When your friends produce a film, you pray that it's good, because if it's not good, you have to go be encouraging and you want to be authentic. But this one is phenomenal, so all pressure is off. I'm just going to be here enjoying myself, and every time I watch it, it's that much more fun. It is 7 Days to Vegas, so it couldn't be better. Plus, we're surrounded by all of our friends. So many people who are going to enjoy this movie are here tonight. And, you know, the environment is just so good. I mean, it's just, once you see the movie, you'll understand why Vegas is exactly the place you want to see it premiere.
I'm happy for Vince. I think he's done great things for poker, and I'm happy for him, and that's why I'm here.
We are so proud of it, and we know it's a really good movie, so it's exciting to share it with the world.
All right, guys, the movie's about to start, so I'm going to go check it out. I can't wait. And if you want to watch it, you can download it on iTunes or Amazon. 7 Days to Vegas. Check it out.